What is up, my crypto legends? Let's analyze the situation here for Bitcoin and some cryptocurrencies. We're also going to take a look at DXY. We're going to take a look at the S&P 500. I do believe so that there is going to be a pump in the next coming days. We can go through this scenario. All right. Now, of course, we do have some news out tomorrow. We've got Jerome Powell speaking at 4 o'clock tomorrow Central European time, so there's going to be a bit of news in the middle there, so it's going to be a little bit of difficult trading in my personal opinion tomorrow, but I do believe so that there is going to be some pumpy action coming, and I'm going to explain also this in today's live stream. But of course, it doesn't matter really if it goes up or down. We need to protect our positions. We need to take a look at some opportunities in the immediate short term. So today, before we go through Bitcoin and some other cryptocurrencies, guys, I need you to absolutely destroy that like button. Yesterday's video didn't get too much likes, too much performance. People prefer live streams to go straight to the point and take a look at the comment section. So I need some support from you guys, because yesterday I didn't get too much support. So today I need massive support, guys. If you want me to have this 10 to 20 minutes first educational content, all right, I'm going to explain, right? I had a short position on Chiliz. I got stopped out. Guys. I lost money on Chiliz. Stopped out, guys. But, and this is a big but, I made 2 trades. I'm still in 1 trade now, actually, on Chiliz, talking about the strategy that we've been talking about now for several weeks, guys. Chiliz made an insane opportunity that I did take yesterday. Of course, yesterday I did not do a live stream, but I can go through to it with you guys, so you can train your eyeballs on the chart to take these opportunities, guys. It's been absolutely phenomenal. I got stopped out on this big massive pump that Chiliz had, almost to about 27 cents. I mean, first of all, let's go through Chiliz, and I'm still in a short position that we can go through right away here on Bybit. Of course, I've got this position, short position on Chiliz, looking for that double top here, and I'm gonna go explaining why. You know exactly at that double top, but I did long here, slightly below 24 cents yesterday, and it was looking for that double top. It played out to perfection. My stop loss that got hit from that short position here, early short position with this consolidation, got stopped out. I have covered almost 8 times my stop loss, and I'm going to go through right away, okay? So make sure to pay attention, guys. Pay attention, because I'm going to give that full explanation right in the next 5 minutes approximately. Pay attention, guys. We talked about Chiliz. very likely going to get some kind of resistance at this zone, possibly getting that volatility, getting above, 25 and 26 cents. All right. This was mentioned on a live stream 2 days ago. All right. If you guys remember, we've been talking about this Chiliz, looking for those shorting opportunities. But of course, on the lower time frames, we can take a look at, potential long opportunities if it gives us that opportunity. Now, pay attention, guys, because I'm going to go through Chiliz first. Then I'm going to go through the comment section. I know I can see my mods here. Joseph, Racing Pixel. Thanks, guys, for joining the live stream. You guys are amazing. Mark Dutch, we got Scotty. Phenomenal. Got my mods here, giving support, interacting with the community. I'll go through the comment section in just 5 minutes, guys. But this is super important for me, all right? Because I entered a short. I got stopped out. A lot of the people might think, wow, this did not happen. Stop loss was triggered. Were there any opportunities after that? Yes, absolutely. There was 2, and I've covered almost 8 times my stop loss. And this is how I want to explain risk management. This is super important, guys. You cannot make this up, and I'm going to prove it to you right away. Right. So looking for those short positions, it was a little bit early, had a tight stop loss, and I got stopped out because Chiliz had a massive pump. This is Chiliz on the daily, all right? This is Chiliz on the daily. We're hitting major daily level resistance. We're getting slightly above that range, all right? This is not a successful breakout for me, and it's creating a double top. I'm looking for a large correction here on Chiliz. But like I said, this is the 24-cent range, a big daily level, being respected several times as support and resistance. You are in a very strong bearish market structure here, looking at the daily chart, okay? Going down for several months. We've just had some pumpy action the last few weeks. Now, these are the levels that we want to start looking for swing short opportunities. Let's go to the 1 hourly and explain, my short, entry that got stopped out just 2 days ago that I was showing on the live stream. Guys, I'm short here. We're getting a reaction. I think that we could get a correction from this range on Chiliz, all right, at that 24-cent level. All right, this is looking at the 1 hourly chart. We've got the daily. We got a reaction, a couple of wicks. This was enough for me to place a stop loss, to place a short position and a stop loss right there, okay? And of course, I got stopped out. We had a big, massive candle breaking out from this zone, right? The 24-cent range. We had the massive blast off. What have we been talking about for the last few weeks, guys? This strategy, which is absolutely magical. It's pure magic, this strategy. You're looking at the short time frames, okay? On my videos, we can take a look at swing trades. We can take a look at scenarios that could happen in the next coming weeks. But the short-term trading, looking for those day trades or small swing trades on the 1 hourly. This is Chiliz on the 1 hourly, guys. Massive, big movement to the upside. We were talking about this, all right? There was some volume on this movement up. I was looking for that rejection, that exhaustion. What happened? Got stopped out. Why did I get stopped out? We had a second massive, big volume breakout from this resistance level. Bang. And I'm thinking, okay, this is looking quite powerful. We could get a retracement and a potential bounce. Where? Exactly here, guys, at this massive volume candle right there. Bang. We have a breakout. Bang. And where do we come to retrace and get that massive big bounce, guys? Exactly at this massive 1 hourly candle with huge amount of volume. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. This was a must long position to retest or almost retest the highs. This is a strategy that we've been talking about on the live streams for almost a month, I would say, right now, looking at the different scenarios. Of course, I did not go live. We didn't make this live. It was a shame because it was a pretty nice, I made that daily update with a sponsored segment and I had to make a daily video update. But this, I'm just going to tell you so you can train your eyeballs on the chart so you can actually take these opportunities in the near future, all right? These opportunities happen consistently on the chart, on Bitcoin and multiple assets. So yeah, just like I mentioned, got stopped out, no worries, waited patiently to see that retracement with low volume to that first candlestick with high volume after the breakout. Absolutely phenomenal, guys. This was absolutely beauty. I wish I would have made a live stream right there. Of course, what happens here when you have this pumpy action? We have a big major resistance zone here on Chiliz, all right? I was, eyeing for that double top scenario. So what did I do here? When I'm seeing this volume, all right, there was some aggressive volume. When I saw the price action, I got a little bit scared with this volume, all right, because when we have the price action to the upside and hardly any volume, I was taking a look at different exchanges. Of course, I was taking a look at, Bybit USDT pair, also on Binance USDT pair to check out this volume to the upside. But I was looking at, as long as the volume is lower from this major big pump, all right, then it's likely to create a double top. When the volume is lower, it's likely to create a double top. So what did I do? I was preparing here after taking profits at this 618 and the top range, taking all my profits here from this pump of the major bounce on Chiliz. Then I was looking for that short. Entering that short, I had multiple orders here of 0.25%. I did get some triggered, so it's about a 1% trade that I got here from my capital, which is absolutely plenty. And I've taken most of my profits at this level. Why? Just in case. I was aiming for the lows. We reached the lows, taken already most of my profits. Now what could happen here? Why am I taking profits here? Because we could create a big, massive double bottom range, okay? This is what could happen. Of course, I've taken profits. Position is protected. Over 50% of profits here of my position. Now, it is true that this could happen. We could have bang and bang. We could have a double bottom scenario and we could have pumpy action. But this is level to level trading, right? When I'm longing from this retracement with low volume, I am aiming for a retest of the highs, because what is likely that a lot of people are anticipating short positions at this range, right? Anticipating, and then you just get them stopped out, okay? And then you have the correction for that double top scenario. So long position here at this exact level, and now riding a short. Two very profitable trades, that have actually given me my 8 times almost 8 times, about 7 times my stop loss from the short position on Chiliz. So this is how, we want to have the good risk management, and we want to train for those profitable trades, guys. And this is only bounce from the volume candle, okay? It is really that simple. It is the bounce from the volume candle here. Low volume on the retracement, super important. Looking for that next leg up. If the volume on the way up is lower than the consecutive candles that we've had on the pump, it is likely to create a double top or a slightly higher high, all right? A failed breakout, swing failure, and come back down. So absolutely crazy. I've taken most of my profits here, and position is protected here at that double top scenario here on Chiliz. If you are interested in trading Chiliz, Bitcoin, Ethereum, multiple or different altcoins, you have an insane bonus down below of up to $4,450 that can be claimed at the rewards hub. Okay, you need to follow the steps to claim that bonus, guys. So absolutely beauty on Chiliz. Now on going to Bitcoin now, we can go to Bitcoin. There's so many stuff on Bitcoin going on. There's been so many different harmonic patterns that I have just detected. They are everywhere. Harmonic patterns are everywhere. There's one right over here. There's another one right over here. This is why we're having this correction here to the 7-8. This is a Gartley pattern. Getting that correction. I'm missing out big time because I'm just focusing with different strategies, of course, with volume and price action and structure. But there are some pretty good ones, okay? I've just had a Gartley pattern here in front of my face, right over there, as you can see on the chart, hitting the 7-8 approximately, 7-9, all right, which would be around that range where we're getting the consolidation for that correction. You got a Gartley pattern there that's just happened today, all right, looking at the 15-minute. Nice opportunity, you're aiming for that 50%, 618 from this low part to the highs. 650 has been reached already. I think 618 can be reached in the next coming couple of hours. But absolutely beautiful. And if you take a look at Fibonacci time, it's been a 1-to-1 to perfection from the high to the spike of the middle bit over here. You're looking for the 1-to-1, okay, and you're having that correction right now. Anyway, let's go right away through the comment section. and take a look at Bitcoin. We can take a look at Ethereum. We can take a look at S&P 500, DXY, all depending on what the community wants me to take a look at. BTC will pump to 28K in one day. This is what we want, says Game Pro. I'm not sure if we're going to go that high. I do think that we can pump to round about 22.8, 23K maximum. We probably will be getting a little bit of a volatility and rejection at that range. Of course, we do have some news coming out from Jerome Powell tomorrow. Who knows? Will it be a massive big pump or will it be a massive big dump? This is the thing. Guys, hope you enjoyed that explanation on Chiliz. It was an absolutely, beautiful 2 trades right there. Of course, this double top is a little bit more risky because you could have some power here breaking the resistance, all right? This is a little bit of a risky trade that I took because I was looking for that double top here from this range with a volume going down. This volume was a little bit intimidating here once we hit it, but it was still lower. So I was looking for that double top here with a multiple different quarter of percent orders right there, but playing out beautiful as you can see here on the chart. The best one, high probability one, was yesterday. Volume, bang, consolidation, volume, breakout from the resistance, you retrace with no volume, you finally get back up to retest the highs or almost retest the highs, right? So it's just really that simple. It is one of the most simple and profitable trading strategies that exists out there. I've been doing this since I was trading the German stock market back in 2017. This one also works on the German stock market. It works on multiple assets if the volume is correct, okay? Very important that volume is not manipulated and it's correct. This is why it's also important to take a look at different exchanges to see if the volume is similar. Right, let's go. Excited because I got stopped out and I'm thinking, oh damn it, what's going on? And then focusing on what is happening. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So anyway, let's go through the comment section and take a look at what the people want me to look at. Ben Engine, thanks a million, bro, for turning these boring crypto times into an educational fun. Wow, absolutely phenomenal, Ben. I mean, this is the thing. We got opportunities. I am bearish on Chiliz, for the next coming weeks potentially. And I longed yesterday. And you might think this guy is crazy. What the hell is he talking about? He's bearish and he went in a long. This guy's crazy. Yeah, guy. But we're talking about swing trade opportunities. We're talking about the next coming weeks. In the immediate short term, we can get those opportunities, those day trades, right? And there you have it on Chiliz. Absolutely phenomenal. I'm longing the exact top here. Hopefully, we're not going to create that double bottom scenario. We're getting massively supported here. The reason why, we got a massive big resistance daily level. We are currently above this range with massive big volume. Moment we start breaking below this range with a spike in volume, now that's going to be looking good. Now that is going to be looking absolutely beautiful. We're going down, baby. That's what's going to happen. But till then, we could create that double bottom. Dippin, hello crypto legends, let's dive into chart. Dippin, thank you very much for joining the live stream. Scotty, hi Andy, and all your crypto legends, smash that like button on your way in. Exactly. Scotty, Joseph, Mark Dutch, Racing Pixel, guys, you're amazing. Thank you very much for joining the live stream. You guys give me insane support and it's exciting to do the live streams. So what's up, crypto legends? LVL5 Vegan, also been supporting the channel for quite some time now. Thanks for joining. So love your pumpy action. Yeah, pumpy action. I think this is a brand from me, from Andy Bitcoinsensus, crypto legends and pumpy action. Andy, is your course ready? If so, then when the release? I am aiming for end of September. Okay, September. I'm going to focus a lot. I will be doing some videos and live streams, probably not as much because I'm going to get this, extremely full-on crypto course that is going to be absolutely phenomenal for trading, basically, not for investing. It's going to be for trading. showing you multiple different strategies that happen almost every day. All right, price action and volume is one that's so powerful, guys, that this is one that I will be focusing a lot. Okay, of course there are more things to consider. I will be doing lower time frames, larger time frames, how to detect, you know, those short-term trends as well, and long-term trends. I need to do a really nice structure and not talk too much like on the live streams, right? I want to make videos of in between 10 to 20 minutes, all right, on the course, not 1 hour, not talking about, you know, different things, just focusing on the exact strategy and just, you know, do it and show you multiple examples and potential examples on the actual course as well. So double top on the DXY, says Danny. Let me take a look here at look, CNH. What is CNH? Is that a crypto? CNH. I think, let me know, Christian, because CNH, what is this? CNH. I think you probably, yeah, let me know. CNH, look at CNH. Andy, my crypto cowboy online trap. Thank you for joining the live stream. Shiba is pumping. Let's take a look at Shiba. Why not? Super chats. What is CNH? Bounce. Bounce. Okay, let's take a look at Bounce. What? Bounce crypto or Bounce on Bounce? Do you want me to take a look at Bounce? Need a little bit more information. Bounce is auction. Is this the cryptocurrency that you want me to take a look at? I need a little bit of information here. Let me know. Let me know. Cup and handle, says Christian Shiba. Okay. Cup and handle. Oh my goodness. You got it. Yeah, this is my fault. This is my fault. Yeah, cup and handle. Cup and handle on what? On what crypto? Is this on Bitcoin? Okay, I guess so. I guess you are saying a cup and handle on Bitcoin. Yeah, very much. You might think, yeah, this does look like a kind of a cup and handle. Is that on Bitcoin? Let me know, Christian. You need to give me a little bit more information. Just not, just don't give me the pattern words, and also the ticker symbol, right? That was my fault. Cup and handle on Bitcoin. You could arguably discuss that this is a cup and handle right there. Yeah, I mean, I am bullish on Bitcoin in the short term. You could discuss that this is a cup and handle. Now, if we do break this resistance zone at 21,800, if we have that solid breakout, you know, we do have some pretty interesting volume here. This is another thing, guys. If we do get that breakout above this candle, which is exactly on the 15-minute at 21,800, it's going to be looking good. We can take a look at the 1 hourly. It's slightly below on the 1 hourly, but 15-minute, 5-minute, we want to see where the largest volume is. It's actually at 21,880. So it's going to be a range. This will be a range. It's going to be very hard for this one to trade. It's a big range. But yeah, going to the 15-minute, could arguably discuss it is a cup and handle. I think a little bit of more correction is likely on Bitcoin, and then we could have the breakout. Let me know if that is a cup and handle you're eyeing on Bitcoin. But like I said, big volume resistance at the 21,800. If we have a solid breakout with a big spike in volume, it's going to be looking very good for more pumpy action. We will be retracing likely with low volume. Bears are not going to be interested seeing the power of the bulls breaking resistance zone, and they are going to give way to the bulls to push the price up and see how far up can the bulls push the price. Once the bulls get exhausted, the bears will start pushing the price down. This is the kind of, you know, this is what we want to detect on the chart to get onto the right side of the market. Dash is about to fly. I got from Daniel. Also, on what time frame says raising Bixel? Yeah, you got that right. I mean, I've only got cup and handle here. I guess he was talking about Bitcoin, not Ethereum. Must have been Bitcoin on the lower time frames. Right. Whew. Cup and handle. My mistake. CNH is cup and handle. I was thinking of what crypto is that? You know, with an N in the middle. My fault. My bad. Dash is about to fly, says Daniel. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this. Dash. Let's take a look at Dash. I mean, I do think we could have a little bit of a more correction here on the DXY. Double top. Yeah, I do think so. Kind of a double top. But, or is this on the DXY? You know, DXY could also be forming a cup and handle, right? Right there. We've got big resistance, and this is where you want to see cup and handles at the very top of a major trend, because this is what you will do. It will look like it's a double top. People get extremely bearish on this small downtrend, and what happens? Oh, this is a double top. We're gonna correct, and you form a cup and handle, and then you have a little bit of a blast off. Okay, so this is what could happen also on the DXY. It's extremely bullish. This is insanely in an uptrend. You could create another wave up, which I do think could happen after this major correction in the next coming days. This is just going to be a couple of days of correction potentially, and then I'm looking for another breakout of the highs. Dollar is looking strong. People are fearful from a recession, and where do people have, you know, their money? Do they have it in risky assets, S&P 500, crypto, gold or something? No, most of the things come down on the recession. So they hedge with dollars. Dollars is always strong in a recession. Even though, yes, inflation and the rest of it, people, when there is a recession, people want money. You buy food with money. You put petrol in your car with money. So not with gold, not with crypto just yet. So where you know, in a recession, people want dollars. So if there's a lot of demand for dollars, of course, dollar is going to go up. And this is what is currently happening right now with the fear of recession. People want dollars. They do not want crypto. You're crazy. Don't want crypto in a recession. Can't do anything with crypto yet. You can change it on the market, but Ethereum before explosion, says Christian Shibler. Ethereum before explosion. Okay, let's take a look. So I think it looks like that Christian here is bullish. He is bullish. He's saying cup and handle. And time frame, let me know, because I mean, this is looking at the 4 hourly. Do you reckon this is a cup and handle right there? I wouldn't think so. This is not a cup and handle. You want to see it in an uptrend, of course. Maybe here. Yeah, I did not see a cup and handle right there on the 1 hourly time frame. I do think Ethereum can break above 1,700, but it's not going to be a successful breakout. You're going to see a lot of choppy action, you know, hitting 1,800, 1,850 potentially. This is when you are going to see the exhaustion. I will be ready to short, guys. I do strongly believe that, you know, I am bullish in the short term on Bitcoin and Ethereum. You know, I'm looking for 1,800, 1,850, you know, faking out from this resistance, creating a kind of a double top exhaustion and then correct. Why? Well, it's pretty obvious. You know, S&P 500, DXY is extremely bullish. S&P 500, looking for that relief rally like we talked about yesterday. You know, it's happened. We're having that relief rally. I think some higher levels can happen. This is going to be good for Bitcoin and crypto. So a little bit of a larger relief rally for Ethereum and Bitcoin is likely. But what will happen afterwards is, you know, after breaking out from this ascending wedge, you know, very aggressively getting below the last higher lows, you're just going to have a lot of volatility. You are likely to create a lower high. I'm looking for a swing trade position on Ethereum, on Bitcoin to short in the next coming days. I will be bearish with this pumpy action that we do have all right, for the last few days and the next potential coming days. Yeah, so will it happen or not? This is the thing. I don't care if it happens or if it doesn't. I will be looking for different opportunities, just like Chiliz, right? Chiliz gave us some massive opportunities in between yesterday and today, range trading. But I do think it's very, very possible for that pumpy action, as DXY is likely to correct in the next couple of days before continuing back up. And S&P 500 also having a little bit of more relief rally in between today and tomorrow before getting that correction, by next week potentially. Right. Ethereum 2K today or tomorrow. Wow, absolutely phenomenal. Christian is extremely bullish on Ethereum, saying that 2K will likely to be reached in between today and tomorrow. Wow, this is absolutely extremely bullish. So if Ethereum does go to 2K in between today and tomorrow, yeah, Bitcoin is likely to hit 22.8 or 23K as well, as there is a big correlation in between different cryptos. In my personal opinion, I don't think we'll reach that high, okay? Maybe $2,000. In my personal opinion, I don't think so. DXY is looking too bullish. S&P 500 is looking, bearish. It's bullish in the short term for a couple of coming days. So I think that pump on Bitcoin and Ethereum is likely to happen, but it won't be long. It's just going to be a little bit of a relief rally, in my personal opinion. Let's see let's see what kind of volume we do have also. Okay. Shiba Inu for eyes of Lazar. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu right away for the community. Absolutely phenomenal. Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu pumping. Oh, we missed out totally on this one, guys. We missed out on analyzing this one 2 days ago. Look at this. Oh my goodness, beautiful. It's beautiful right there. I would have traded this, but I wasn't looking at Shiba, but absolutely beautiful. This was an insane long opportunity, guys. And this is the thing, people get excited in the comment section. Shiba nice green candle. Right, but did you trade it? I didn't, but I would have done. And why would I trade it? Now let's keep this segment educational on Shiba Inu. Why did Shiba Inu pump? Was it because of some tweet, or was it because of, fundamentals? Technical analysis does not work. Absolutely not. The price moved to the upside because of traders, because of technical analysis. Was it because it has some fundamental value and we've had some great news? Maybe also, but it was totally technical. This pump on Shiba Inu was technical, and whoever doesn't believe in technical analysis can leave right now the stream and unsubscribe right away. But if you strongly believe in technical analysis and that the strategies that I'm showing you and the price action and structure, another chance on EOS. I'm actually in a long position on EOS, and I'm going to go right away. I've totally forgot. I'm in a short on Chiliz. I'm in a long on EOS because EOS is having this kind of also structure. We're going to go on to EOS right away, Christian, because there is a volume price action opportunity also on EOS. Shiba Inu. Guys, absolutely beautiful. We've been talking about this resistance level on Shiba. This is the 1.2. I'm not going to say the zeros. It's the 1.2 level, okay? 126 to be more exact. 126. You can check out here the bearish exhaustion, right? You're creating higher lows right there. You need to be well aware that there is demand with these higher lows. You know, you are creating some bullish momentum in the short term. It doesn't matter the long term. We're taking a look at the lower time frames, okay? 4 hourly, 1 hourly, to take a look at those day trades and those swing trades. You want to get in and out. You want to make some money in the short term. So what happened here? We broke a very, very strong structure of resistance, which is the 126 on Shiba Inu, right? 126 right there. Big resistance level. We had an explosive breakout. I remember analyzing Shiba Inu when we were at this range, and I'm saying, guys, the best opportunity for a long position on Shiba would be retracing all the way down here to this 1226 level, okay? It was explained. This one must have been a live stream in between the 14th of August and 16th of August approximately. One of those two live streams, we talked about this, you know, this scenario. 100%. If I find that, I will show it on the next live stream, because this is talking about the opportunities. And I know a lot of people might say, you talk about a trade that's going to happen now. I don't care what's going to happen in 2 days. No insults. Yeah, we talked about this scenario, the high probability scenario. The bounces today, says Christian, absolutely phenomenal for Ethereum, on EOS or Ethereum. So anyway, going back here for this educational content, guys, I know there's a lot of people, there are experts maybe in the comment section, but there's a lot of people that are not that expert, and I want to give you my experience and give the educational content. Very important. So like I said, we broke from this major resistance on Shiba Inu, right? We just had that opportunity the last couple of days. You had time here to enter along, and I'm going to explain why I would have entered along. But of course, I could not take a look at 10 cryptos and trade 10 cryptos. My head would explode. You just need 1 or 2 cryptos to make some gains. So, like I said, we broke this resistance. How did we break it? Oh, we broke it big time. This was a phenomenal breakout with a massive amount of volume. Look at the volume for the last few weeks. Volume is insignificant. There's no power. There's no nothing. There's no clear kind of direction. Of course, well, short-term direction was slightly up as we were creating higher lows. Big breakout. What happens in the correction? What happens in the correction, guys? Bearish volume. They are selling, but they are not, you know, they do not have the multi-million buying pressure that, you know, we had on the breakout. So they're just selling and selling and selling. They have nothing to do against these couple of candles, this massive big buying pressure right over here. We did have some selling pressure, of course, at the top. This is absolutely normal. But what happens when you have this consolidation with this amount of volume? There's no volume, guys. There's no volume. There's no selling pressure. The volume is, this will not push well, this is very likely that it's not going to push down. Of course, anything can happen. Then this could happen. I've seen it before. This is only looking at probabilities. The probabilities of getting that bounce here on Shiba Inu at the 126 level at this huge resistance breakout with volume is just almost imminent. You know, you have almost an 80% high probability that you are going to get this pump. Now, I would be very much aware on this, of course, because you did have some pretty aggressive selling volume. You do have a resistance level here where we did get a couple of bounces, and it will be likely in between, you know, the 50% and 618. So we're looking at that 50% 618 level for profits, right? Just in case you do get that exhaustion and you create a lower high, not managing to retest the highs, okay? Start taking profits if you're long in here. But this was an absolutely golden opportunity that could have been just a few hours ago. You had even till a few hours. You had a couple of days to long. It was phenomenal. We must have talked about this, no doubt. I'm 100% sure in between the 14th and 16th of August, saying, guys, high probability scenario is coming down here, looking for that bounce. I will find this video. I will find this on the live stream. it's just to recap, guys, just so you can train this for the near future to make those gains. The bounce is today, says Christian Schibler. Phenomenal. Right, I got a couple of comments here. Can you look at ICP, says SMexRA. Absolutely, let's take a look at ICP. But before we take a look at ICP, we're going to wait 5 seconds, scroll down the video, and absolutely destroy the like button, guys. Absolutely destroy it like this. But it needs to be in black, okay? Don't leave it in white, because you need to leave it in black, because that is the smash. Don't leave it in white when you do this, okay? Let's all do it together. Smash it up all together, guys, because we're 500 watching, 200 likes. Yeah, I feel like leaving the live stream. All of you have not smashed the like button. So anyway, focusing, going back. Shiba forming a cup and handle. Okay, also Shiba Inu forming a cup and handle. I'm going to take a look at also ICP. Shiba Inu forming a cup and handle. I can't see these cup and handles. Where is it? In the lower time frames? Where is it forming a cup and handle? You need to let me know. Give me the dates and the time frame, Christian, please, because I can't see the cup and handle. Let me know. Okay. I can see it. Is it this one potentially? On the 12 hourly, we got a big resistance level that was very much respected. Is this a cup and handle? It doesn't look bad. Bang, 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 bang. Come back up. We've broken out from the handle. It is likely to retest the resistance zone here at the 176. It is very likely. It is, there's high probability in getting a leg up here on Shiba Inu. So let's take a look at ICP here for SMexRA. Absolutely, ICP got absolutely exterminated in this bear market. Oh my goodness, it got destroyed. It got absolutely destroyed. This cryptocurrency launched, at what was it, about $400 or $500? This one was insane. Let me just take a look at ICP here on CoinGecko, because I do remember this one launching very high, over $400. It looked like a kind of a scam project. Now, of course, this is the moment you want to be interested, when it's flat, when it's died off, right? Not when there's any hype. If you do believe in ICP and the technology and what it's going to achieve in the coming years, you want to start buying at this range when the price is going sideways and is boring for the long term, no doubt. If you believe in the project, of course. I'm not telling you what to buy. I will never do that. I will tell you what I buy, but not what you need to do. So ICP, it's flattening out. A big reversal scenario is likely. Why? Because selling pressure is exhausted. Selling pressure is not exhausted here. No, it's not exhausted. You're still creating consistent lower lows. You're having that breakdown. Now, if you compare this price action right over here, just so you get you're alarmed, this price action over here with this one, it's not that similar. You're still creating aggressive low lows. Nothing compared to this range. You are going sideways here for a long time. This is showing bearish exhaustion. This is the moment you want to be excited for potential future pumps. Of course, now this might go sideways for several months more, okay? You might get a little bit of a relief rally, then come back down, more sideways action. Even better if you create this in the next coming months. Because this at some point, very likely, being 1 to 3 years approximately, will start making this. And I'm telling you, a lot of people are going to rush in. A lot of people will start buying with the hype. This is the moment you want to start getting very, very bullish. Like I did this in 2018 and 2019. I was buying and buying, knowing that the pumpy action from 2021 was going to happen. Same thing will happen 2024, 2025, maybe 2023. Don't think so, but it will happen at some point. Anyway, taking a look at ICP here. Enough talk. Everybody knows that, I guess, by now. What can we see here on ICP? Let's get VPVR levels. We are at a very, very strong support range. I think a potential bounce from this level is very, very possible, at least to this resistance zone. Why? Because we got an insane amount of support right over here. Why? Because we got VPVR, big level from the volume trade of the last 7 days. Potential big bounce is very possible. All the way up to about $7.60, $7.50. Currently at $6.50 at the moment. Still technically creating, higher highs, right? Higher lows, sorry. Higher lows. Could you say that this is a higher low? We broke major resistance here, major support. But you are in a big support level. So, I wouldn't be extremely bullish here for the midterm, but short term, I do believe so that we will be getting that pump in the next coming days, especially if Bitcoin pumps and Ethereum. It will help some altcoins to have that pumpy action. So big level here on ICP at the $6.30. I like this consolidation. These are the kind of consolidations that I want to see. I want to see a little bit of green volume here in the middle of this range. This is giving me confirmation that bulls are defending this range over here at the $6.50, $6.40. Big level, as you can see here on the chart. We got this support right there also. Bang, resistance, support. Getting support right now. It is possible that you could be forming this kind of head-shoulder scenario. Looking for that reversal here on ICP. It's likely to happen before any type of continuation to the downside. Or we even might be breaking this resistance, all depending on what kind of price action we make to the upside. Okay, we could be getting some explosive pumpy action here and break this resistance, all depending on how we react and how much volume we have. We know it's a resistance level. Now, a lot of unexperienced traders might think, Andy said this is resistance, I am shorting. Yeah, but no, I will be waiting for the reaction, waiting to see how what kind of volume we do have to the upside. But, like I said, there's a high probability in getting a bounce from this major support level at the $6.40, $6.50 range, okay? Just a little bit of volatility around formation. You're likely to get that reversal in the short term, next few days. This is what I personally think here on ICP. Right, I got Srinivas. Breakout. Let's take a look at EOS. Breakout on Bitcoin, Ethereum. We're pumping. Breakout on what? Crypto. Let me know. It's having a little bit of pumpy action. Still in the short position on Chiliz. I'm going to hold it. I will be taking a little bit more profits after the live stream. At this range, it's holding a very strong support level. We could get a double bottom scenario if Bitcoin and Ethereum does pump here on Chiliz. So stay extremely cautious. Remember, you can trade a bunch of cryptos here on Bybit. You get up to $4,450 worth of bonus that you need to claim at the rewards hub once you sign up. For experienced traders, guys, take advantage of those bonuses down below on these exchanges. Only for experienced traders. It's another way to support the channel. Of course, I get a small commission here, but you get the best bonus, and this is the platform that I use the most, okay? Bybit. Let's take a look at where we at? Super chat. Okay, we got breakout from Christian. Breakout, and what else? We got Chris here for... Chris has, hi Andy, can you check Atom, same type of movement? I also want to take a look at EOS. See what's going on. I mean, this is, the reason why I do think that EOS can have that pumpy action also here. At least, I mean, we've had one bounce. We haven't even retested the lows. Look at EOS right there. This is the kind, I am in a long actually on EOS. A little bit too soon, just here touching I've got multiple orders here on EOS. Very, very small orders, 0.25%. Looking for that, consolidation. We got low volume on the retracement, big volume there, bang, big volume breakout. I'm looking for a short-term bounce here for a lower high or a double top. Looking for this trading opportunity on EOS. Anyway, something I wanted to point out there. I haven't got time to show absolutely everything. Atom, let's take a look at Atom. We've got Chris here. Thanks, Chris, for the insane support and super chat. Let's take a look at Atom. Same type of movement on Atom. What type of movement? Let's go to the daily here. I've got some kind of levels on Atom. Get VPVR out of the way. Wow, this was absolutely pretty impressive. We were in an ascending channel. We had a breakout with not too much volume. There was a little bit of a spike in volume, but it was a clear fake out on the breakdown. Massive big volume to the upside here, getting back up here in the inside of the channel, and also above a major daily level. So let's analyze the situation here. Still technically creating higher lows. This was a fake out, no volume on the breakout of this ascending kind of channel scenario on Atom. So let's analyze here Atom on the lower time frames also. Oh, this is not a huge breakout. I do not like very much these breakouts. We got a strong resistance daily level. Okay, this is all the way back in May. We got a strong resistance daily that has been respected here in August, as you can see, looking at the 4 hourly. I'm talking about the $12.30. Bang, bang, being resistance. Now, what has happened on Atom is, yeah, we've had a breakout. There's some pretty large volume on this breakout. It looks, on the 1 hourly, it looks quite legit. We should be getting a bounce from this resistance turning into support. We've got some pretty nice volume candles here. I mean, look at the volume from this breakdown. It was silly volume. It was clearly a fake out. If you take a look at the lower time frames, right, when we were talking about this ascending channel scenario, ascending channel scenario right there, right, with higher lows. Look at this breakout there. Bang, we have a breakout from high-low structure. Look at the volume. There's no volume. There's no volume. This is how you want to detect fake outs also. Volume breakouts are so important. And you cannot hide this. This is just showing you the amount of millions, right, or billions or whatever. In the case of Atom, it should be millions, I guess. In Bitcoin, it's billions. But big volume, showing you that the bears are in the control. You do not have any big volume there to the downside. This is likely to fake out. So this is also a good way to detect fake outs. Check out the volume, guys. It's extremely important. So anyway, going back here to the 4 hourly chart. Where am I? No, let's go to the 1 hourly. This should come back down. I would wait for lower. How low? I would wait for the $12.30 range. If Atom still corrects in the next coming hours, right, between today and tomorrow, I guess, approximately, this is the 1 hourly chart, and consolidates here a little bit with very low volume at the $12.30, you are likely to get that bounce up. It's very likely to happen. Make sure to wait for consolidation. Bearish attempts to break down, failing to jump in a trade and have a reasonable, decent, tight stop loss. Let the price action do what it needs to do. And, you do have big resistance. You are likely to get that bounce up here, at least to round about the 618 from the drop, or even the top, okay? But stay cautious. Don't be afraid to take profits. Take them off the table. If I would have longed this on Chiliz and wouldn't have taken profits here on these highs yesterday. Let me just go to Chiliz. If I would have longed here, because I knew my take profit range, take profit range was the 618 and the highs, getting profits out here at the double top scenario, and even shorting. I'm in a short right now. So, just imagine longing from this range, being in insane profits, not taking profits, riding the profits all the way back down to your entry point, and you're probably going to break down. So just imagine that. It wouldn't be good, right? So don't be afraid to take profits when you're in profits. Learn how to protect your position once you do have some pretty decent profits and price action has moved to the upside, because you could get that rolled down and get exterminated. Protect your capital. Number one thing in trading, have small losses. It doesn't matter. I can have 3-4 small losses, but when I get a good trade or good couple of trades, those losses will be paid off no time, with no problem. I got some bad comments on yesterday's video. People saying, Jackie Wood, I got my mum here. Scotty giving support to my mum, giving some nice hearts. Yeah, Jackie Wood, my mum, always give me support. She has no idea. I did make my mum to buy one Bitcoin back in 2019. I made her buy one. So she wished she would have bought some more. I'll tell you that. She wasn't too sure at the time. But when it was trading at 50,000, she was saying, shall we get some more? Anyway, let's... SLP, I got a lot of SLP. Christian Shiba says 2 minutes. 2 minutes for what? Oh my goodness. Give me some more signs on the super chat. You're making me nervous. Christian, make a big text on your super chat. Don't just put 2 words. You're making me nervous. CNH, cup and handle, 2 minutes. Ethereum, come on. Stop it now. Oh my God, Christian. Breakout right now. I do think so. I do think Bitcoin and Ethereum are gonna break up. It's very likely to happen. And giving you the explanation, thanks for the super chat, Christian. You're absolutely phenomenal. I got Benny here saying, can you explain why are you going to short on Chiliz? Please, Andy. No, I am in a short on Chiliz, okay? And I've taken most of profits and position is protected. I do explain this on the first 10 minutes of the live stream. Check it out. I explain why I longed here. I got stopped out from a short from 2 days ago and then longed here this level yesterday. I do explain it at the beginning of the live stream. Make sure to check it out because this is absolutely phenomenal, valuable information so you can be a better trader and a successful trader in the near future. And explaining why I shorted here, looking for that double top because we had low volume here. Looking at Bybit, we have low volume on the pump. Bybit has a lot of liquidity also. So if the volume is low, reaching the highs, yeah, it's likely to be a double top. So, expecting that double top, to the exact top here. I had multiple orders and it was an absolute phenomenal trade here. Check out the first 5-10 minutes of the live stream. I do explain this situation. So why is Bitcoin and Ethereum likely to get a relief pump potentially to 22.5, even 23K in the case of Bitcoin? We've been talking about this the last few days, guys, wanting you to understand that this is a huge support level. What level? The $21,000 range. As you can see here, we've been trading and holding the range for the last few days. We got higher low right there, support trend line that we did, look at a few days ago, thinking, we are getting supported from this trend line. But not only that, we are at huge support here that we did have in July, bouncing a couple of times. This is where we are at right now. Not only that, one of the most important also is the VPVR. The point of control is exactly at this $21,000 range. This is massive volume that has been trading here back in June and July. Big support level. This is a small accumulation. Why is it an accumulation? Because price action went to the upside. So it's going to be very hard for the bears to push down this accumulation zone. VPVR level is telling me that this is the strongest level. Yeah, I think, you know, if that makes sense, it needs to make sense, guys. Thank you very much for the insane support. I am going to wrap it up. I'm going to try and do another live stream. Smash up that like button, guys, on your way out. Please, 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 on this educational content. 300 likes today. We can get to 400, guys. Come on, smash it up. Check out the first 10 to 20 minutes educational content on Chiliz, talking about Bitcoin, major levels. I am looking for that pumpy action in the next coming days because DXY looks like it needs to correct, have a little bit of a, you know, cool off in the coming days. S&P is in that relief rally, so it's going to help potentially Bitcoin to have that pumpy action. Will I be interested in longing the breakout? Or depending on what kind of volume, there will be some day trade or scalping opportunities, guys. Remember, we do have a pretty decent volume move here. If we spike up, there will be a quick bounce. There are some quick movements that you can take advantage here on Bitcoin. Stay cautious. Stay safe. Check out the bonuses down below on Bybit and PrimeXBT. Bybit, you got an insane bonus up to $4,450. I am expecting that move to the upside, being it in the next coming 1 to 2 hours or being tomorrow after a little bit of a correction. It doesn't matter. Okay, if we correct, I might be longing. If we correct a little bit, come back down to the point of control, looking at the 1 hourly time frame here. If we come back down, we had a beautiful bounce. I did actually long this and got stopped out at break even. Very, very pissed off with myself because we're back up again and we're probably going to go higher. But this happens. It happens. It doesn't matter. Opportunities every single day, guys. Thanks very much for joining the live stream. Andy, thank you very much, mate. SLP, let's take a look at SLP. Sorry, come on. Let's take a look at SLP before we leave the live stream. Smash up the like button if we want me to do some analysis on SLP. Let's do it. Let's do it. We've got hardly any volume. Let's take a look at another exchange here. Gemini. The volatility is insane on this crypto. I'll tell you what, there's no way I will be looking to trade this cryptocurrency with this kind of volatility. It's not going to happen. Right. SLP on the daily got absolutely exterminated. It's going flat right now at the moment. I know supposedly that we're going to get a burning mechanism. They have an infinite supply. This is a cryptocurrency for the Axie Infinity game. It's a utility token inside of the game. So, you know, is the demand on Axie Infinity at the moment? Probably yes, probably not. But there is signs here of a potential big bounce, okay? You have bearish exhaustion right there, slightly lower lows, creating higher lows. This breakdown has absolutely no volume at all. No volume at all on this breakdown on FTX, which is a large exchange. I think this could have a big recovery. Let's take a look at the VPVR. And you got the point of control here, but you also got a pretty nice spike volume from the volume trade of the last, 60 to 70 days. You could get that bounce here. You are technically still creating higher lows right there. We could get that short-term bounce, very likely. No bearish volume here on this move down. Breaking a little bit of structure, but not much. We're breaking down with no volume. So this is only telling me one thing. This is likely to be a fake breakdown. Definitely, especially when you create this choppy action. This is likely to get a reversal back up. This is going to be it, guys. Not much to add. Joseph, Scotty, Mark Dirch was here also, Racing Pixel, moderators, thank you very much for the insane support on the live stream. Hope you enjoyed this educational content explaining why I entered this, Chiliz long and short yesterday and today. I'm still remaining in the short for the moment. Smash that like button, guys, because I'm just giving you the educational content, proving you these potential strategies that do work, especially if you do have good risk management, smash up that like button, guys. Thank you very much for your insane support. Check out the Bitcoinsensus website for the latest, technical analysis ideas. We also post news here sometimes. Check it out, guys. Totally free information down below. Join all our socials, Telegram, Discord, Twitter. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.